Welcome. In this small presentation, we will see checkpoints for pharmaceutical industry as per EU GMP Annex I, August 2023. We will cover points like contamination control strategy, that is CCS, pharmaceutical quality system PQS, area cleanliness, facility and clean room design, clean air systems or HVAC, environmental monitoring, disinfection and cleaning, equipment and maintenance, utilities like water, steam and gases, and finally personnel and gowning. For contamination control strategy, that is CCS. CCS document exists approved and reviewed periodically. CCS covers facility design, equipment, personnel, utilities, materials, and vendors. CCS includes risk assessments for all contamination sources, that is microbial, particulate, or endotoxin. CCS demonstrates linkage between controls, monitoring, and CAPA. CCS includes trending of deviations, EM data, and sterility-related events. For pharmaceutical quality system, that is PQS. PQS incorporates sterile specific requirements as per Annex 1 expectations. Senior management periodically reviews sterility assurance performance. QRM principles applied to all sterile operations. Batch release personnel have documented sterile manufacturing knowledge or training. All non-conformities like EM excursions, sterility failures, deviations are fully investigated and justified. For area cleanliness, clean room grades like grade A, grade B, grade C, and grade D are properly defined and qualified. Areas have unidirectional personnel and material movement. Change rooms structured for stepwise gowning like grade D to grade C and grade C to grade B. No sinks or drains in grade A or grade B. Grade C and grade D drains have traps and maintenance records. Clean room surfaces are smooth, impervious, and easy to disinfect. For facility and cleanroom design, windows and cameras available to observe grade A or grade B operations without entry. No unnecessary shelves or cavities that collect dust or microorganisms. Airlocks for material and personnel have interlocking doors. For clean air systems and HVAC, pressure differentials maintained minimum 10 pascals and continuously monitored. Alarms for pressure drops functioning and documented. Airflow visualization like smoke studies performed for grade A and B at rest and in operation conditions. HEPA integrity tests performed during qualification and requalification. Airflow velocities at grade A, that is unidirectional airflow for 0.36 to 0.54 meter per second unless justified otherwise. Clean rooms requalified every 6 months, that is for grade A and grade B, and every 12 months for grade C and D. For environmental monitoring, that is EM. EM program scientifically justified with sampling points based on risk. Routine viable and non-viable monitoring performed during operations. Alert and action limits established from historical data. EM excursions are investigated with impact assessment on batches. Grade A monitoring is continuous for non-viable particles. Settle plates exposed for 4 hours or more than 4 hours, that is for validated exposure time. For disinfection and cleaning, cleaning and disinfection program validated for effectiveness. Routine use of a sporicidal agent at defined frequency. Disinfectants in a grade A and grade B are sterile before use. Two disinfectants with different modes of action are used. Residue removal procedures established and validated. For equipment and maintenance, equipment design documentation, that is URS, and piping and instrumentation diagram available and updated. Aseptic filling equipment parts contacting product are sterilized before use. Sterilizers like autoclave, dry heat sterilizer, and SIP systems are fully qualified and validated. Maintenance inside clean rooms is controlled, documented, and followed by cleaning or disinfection. Unplanned maintenance has contamination impact assessment. For utilities like water, steam, and gases, WFI systems qualified, storage and distribution maintained at 70 or more than 70 degrees Celsius or justified alternative. TOC, conductivity, and endotoxin levels of WFI continuously or regularly monitored. Dead leg prevention and turbulence flow documented. Pure steam generation validated. Condensate meets WFI chemical specifications and compressed gases filtered through 0.22 micron sterilizing grade filter at point of use and integrity tested. For personnel and gowning, operators entering grade A and grade B are trained, qualified, and annually requalified. Gowning qualification includes microbial assessment for gloves, hood, forearm, and chest. Minimum personnel inside grade B and grade A during operations are defined. Reusable garments have validated laundry cycles and defined maximum reuse limits. Regular aseptic behavior audits performed for operator observing program. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.